All right, folks, well, here we are at the East Mesa Trail Head. Gonna hike up to Observation Point. One last good hike before I head back to Salt Lake for another work week. I can tell this is already gonna be completely different than hiking in the Narrows yesterday. Right, it's gonna be more woodsy, more hilly instead of, more river-y. I feel like I'm almost at the point, but I saw this spot and I guess the adrenaline junkie in me wants to check it out. Oh snap, straight down. Very cool. Probably one of the most beautiful spots I've been in. Was higher than Angel's Landing, which is what I wanted to do initially, but couldn't because the chain section's closed because of COVID. And this is pretty good. So we got 3.5 miles back to the car. Gonna swing by Best Buy and then hit up St. George Tower site. Head back up to Salt Lake, get my Airbnb, take a nice shower, maybe have a steak dinner. And have a great week. All right, here we are doing a new hike today. We are at the Wasatch Path National Forest, just east of Salt Lake. And we are doing the Alexander Basin Trail, hiking up to Gobbler's Peak. The goal here is to catch the sunset in about 2 hours. So here we go, wish me luck. It's supposed to be real steep and the ass kicker, so here we go. This hike's pretty brutal. I mean, Narrows was tough, but that was more like footing, making sure you don't slip and bust your shit. For the most part, it was flat and straight with obstacles. This is steep ass uphill. And the winds really took this forest down. As you can see, a lot of trees down. Straight up, a lot of obstacles. Well, made it up to the top. 2,600 foot climb from the bottom. Pretty damn steep, but yeah, view's pretty sick. What am I going to do to celebrate? Have myself a nice grapefruit Topo Chico, sit down for a few minutes, watch this beautiful sunset, head back down.